Hey guys, George Handyman Hints. I'm doing a quick video today. I got a spray. I've been doing this for 31 years. Actually more than that in my old house too. So probably almost 40 years. I've been spraying for carpenter ants. Long Island wasn't carpenter ants. It was just ants in general. It was a beachy area. Well, anyway, what I've been using, I didn't always use this, but I'm using this Taurus SC. Okay, I believe you put 0.40 to a gallon of this. I'll double check that in a minute. And use a garden sprayer. And what I usually do is spray right here, like right at the line of the siding and the ground. I do up and down, all around the whole home, okay, all through, all around the house. All right, let me just do that so we don't have to fight it on TV, on the video. There we go. So you take that, break that loose, okay? And then what I'm gonna do, what you do with this is, I'll show you. You tilt this, okay, until this fills up. So, I know it's hard for you to see. Actually, it's tilted this way, I'm sorry. So, I can't even see it. Let me see if you can see it in the sun here. Wow. Okay, there you go. Hopefully you can see that, okay? And what you do is you kind of do this trick. You go all the way around. It's kind of weird, but... Okay, you see the way it's filled? Okay, so I'm at 40. All right, so I'm going to pause the video. I'll bring it on the side of the house. I'll show you how I apply it. And it's pretty basic. I do hit the garage floor here, all the way across as a barrier. Because I got so much stuff in here, it's very hard for me to spray the board, along the walls and all that stuff. So that's how I do it. I got so much stuff in the basement, I can't even do it in there either. But if you do a good perimeter, you will block. So I'm gonna put a gallon of water in here. I already put the amount of TC, the Taurus TC in there. So I'm gonna go up to the gallon mark, which is right here. I'll fill it up with water. So, I don't know. Guess we're gonna find out, huh? All right, guys, this is George, Handyman Hints. Please like and subscribe and